aren't high enough, so that's more frustrating than this, so at least we're kind of moving forward.
And I hear today is a good day for your bloods.
Yeah, good results, and they're all kind of strong enough that I can continue chemo.
Treatment is done block by block without planning too far ahead. But Nim has been told he'll likely need a stem cell transplant to beat this.
We kind of got told, you know, we need to start looking for donors now and trying to find a match.
With no full blood siblings, Nim is relying on someone with similar Sri Lankan heritage to save his life.
This feels like a very difficult challenge because a lot of it's out of my control. At the same time, we do have an opportunity here to really kind of get a massive push to get a lot more people on the register.
There's 44 million people on the donor registry around the world, but currently only 165,000 are Australians.
I don't think people realise quite how easy it is. It's just a cheek swab and you send it in the mail and you're on the register.
There's two ways to join the stem cell donor register. You can apply online and they'll send you this kit and you just do it at home on your own. Or if you're already a blood donor, you can tack it on to your next donation. So this will go off for the stem cell register?
That's correct.
Easy as that.
Exactly.
The most crucial donors needed are between 18 and 35.
We're just going to take a few samples and send them off to them for testing.
CEO of Stem Cell Donors Australia, Lisa Smith.
Just by simply being on the registry, you are offering hope. If you were facing one of these transplants, you do get a lot of hope just from knowing that we are searching 44 million people around the world, 165,000 people in Australia, to find you that best match.
But even then, sometimes that's not enough, and it can be a matter of life or death for patients like Nim. It's why the register desperately needs more young people, particularly those from diverse backgrounds.
It just shows how special these matches are when knowing that there's 44 million donors registered and that we are still seeing these cases where people can't find their match.
If you do match with someone and are called on to donate, it's often as easy as a blood donation, where they separate the stem cells needed from the blood.
You're saving somebody's life, that is the hope, but also cure. The intent of this treatment is to cure the patient once and for all.
How nervous are you about finding a match?
Quite nervous. I think it's a very scary prospect that we might not find one. Obviously nervous for myself, but end of the day, I think we can do a great thing for a lot of people and, you know, hopefully save other lives out there, if not mine.